Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. Welcome to our online class. See, today we are discussing the first chapter from Geography, our environment. The first lesson, our environment. Children, before entering the topic, let me share a story with you. Ravi, a small boy, once noticed that the only playground around his neighborhood was dug up for the construction of a building. So the boy was so unhappy. He shared this with his teacher. So the teacher told him that by consoling, she said that, boy, our environment is always changing the human beings for his better life. So Ravi was confused what is environment. So see children, first we can understand what is the meaning of the term environment. Environment is a word which is derived from a Latin language. So the word is envionor. Envionor. It is a Latin word which means surroundings or neighborhood. So in simple terms, we can say that environment is the surrounding that we have. Then children, see when we are talking about environment, it comprises many things. See, we can say that it is the basic life supporting system. I repeat, environment is the basic life supporting system. It includes, this environment includes air, water, then see food and land. Our environment include many factors like air, water, food and land. We all know that we need air to breathe. And water is also very important for the survival of our life because water quench our thirst. We need food to grow and also land where we live. So the human beings are always changing, modifying this environment for his to lead a comfortable life or to lead a more luxurious life. He is always trying to change his environment. Next, we can learn about, see the components of environment. The components are the important elements that contains in environment. The major components of the environment are natural, human-made, and human environment. See, once more, the components of environment which include natural environment, human-made environment and human environment. See, when we are talking about natural environment, it includes many elements like air, then water, then it is land and living things. All these are the components which are part of natural environment. See, actually, natural environment, it is the gift to us, which is given to us by the nature. See, we know that air, in scientific term, air is also called atmosphere. Water, see, atmosphere. And water, it is also called hydrosphere. The land, which is called lithosphere. And the living things which constitute in the sphere of biosphere. Listen children, natural environment, it is the environment which is given to us freely by the nature itself. It includes components like air, water, land and living things. See, air, it is also termed as atmosphere. Then water, which is also termed as hydrosphere. Land, which is termed as lithosphere, and living things. See, it is termed as biosphere. Next, we can see, understand the meaning of human-made environment. What is the meaning of human-made environment? See children, as I told you, our environment is changing, modifying by the human beings. For what purpose? To have a comfortable, to lead a comfortable life. See, this human-made, environment include all the things which the human beings built, like the buildings, park, and the industries, monuments, and bridges. See, human environment. It includes all the things built by human beings, like park, bridges, road, building, monuments, etc. See, all these things are made by human beings to lead a more comfortable life. Next, we can understand what is human environment. What is human environment? Children, see, this both human and human environment are almost the same. See, in the human environment, that include all individuals, his family, and the community, and also the institutions like schools, hospitals, and countries, all are part of this human environment. See, human environment include, components like, individuals, family, community, religious institutions, and political institutions, schools, etc. All are part of this human environment. I repeat, the components of environment. The major components are natural environment, human-made environment, and human environment. So from this, we understood that the environment contains both living and non-living factors. In scientific term, we can say that our natural environment contains both biotic and abiotic factors. What is the meaning of biotic and abiotic? Natural environment. The natural environment is found in both things, biotic and abiotic. Biotic, and it is a combination of both biotic and abiotic things. See, we all know that. What is the meaning of the term biotic? It is the scientific term. Biotic means living world. All living things like plants, animals, human beings, all are part of this biotic environment. Then we are saying about, see, I repeat, biotic means living world. Living world, it include all living organisms. Next we can see abiotic. It is the term for non-living things. See, non-living things like air, water, land. See, all are part of this abiotic environment. Then children, let us learn more about natural environment. See, as I told you, it is the gift. It includes all non-living and living things. See, let us study them in detail. First, lithosphere. Lithosphere. See, lithosphere is a major component in this environment. Lithos means lithosphere is the rim or sphere of the earth that contains the solid crust of the earth. Lithosphere is nothing, it is the topmost layer of the earth, the hard part of the earth, or the solid crust of the earth. The solid crust of the earth is called lithosphere. See children, lithosphere include all the mountains, plateaus, plains, and all sorts of landforms are part of lithosphere. See, mountains, valleys, plains, plateaus, all are part of this lithosphere. When we are talking about the lithosphere, see, you have studied in the lower class, see the land, it is a huge mass which contains all the continents like North America, South America, then see Australia, Europe, Asia, Antarctica, all are part of this lithosphere. So it is very huge. It is a part of natural environment. See children, next we can study about, see, hydrosphere. Hydrosphere. See, another important layer or rim of natural environment is hydrosphere. Hydro means water. It is the rim or sphere where water exists. See, we all know that water is very essential for the existence of life. See, this hydrosphere is contains all water bodies on the earth, including oceans, sea, rivers, even the small droplets of water, all are part of this hydrosphere. See, you all know that oceans, when we are saying about the oceans, it includes Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean. See, all are part of this hydrosphere. Okay. Children, we will learn atmosphere and biosphere in our next class. So let me conclude today's module. See, we have studied what is environment. See, environment is nothing. It is our surrounding. It is, see, whatever things we are seeing around us, that is termed as our environment. Or in simple words, we can say that environment is the basic life supporting system. Then we studied what is the meaning of natural environment and human made environment. See, natural environment is the gift of nature. It includes both biotic and abiotic factors. Next, we studied the important realms that are part of our environment. See, there are 4 realms that are part of our natural environment. They are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. See, lithosphere. Lithosphere is the solid crust of the earth. See, then hydrosphere. It is the layer that include water. See, children, so next take your notebook, write down an assignment. List out all the components of our environment. Why do human beings always modify his environment? Thank you, children. We will continue our class in the next day. Thank you.